In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet, or opening the spreadsheet where you want the web data to appear. Click into the cell where you want the imported content to begin. This is important because the imported data will expand outward from that starting cell, filling adjacent columns and rows as needed. With that cell selected, type the import formula you need for your web page data. In many cases, you will use an import function that pulls a table or a list from a public web page. As you type the formula into the highlighted cell, pay close attention to the prompts and the way the function is written, since even small formatting issues can prevent the import from working correctly. After entering the import formula, you may see a message requesting permission. If Google Sheets asks for access, click Allow Access. This step is required so the spreadsheet can retrieve information from an external source. Once you grant access, give it a moment to load. Depending on the web page and the amount of data, the import can take a few seconds. Next, to make sure your imported data stays current over time, open the File menu at the top left of the spreadsheet. From that menu, select Settings. This opens your spreadsheet settings, where you can control how formulas calculate and how often the sheet refreshes imported information. Inside Settings, click on Calculation. In this section, look for the recalculation options. Click the current selection so you can change it. Then choose the option labeled On Change and Every Hour. This setting tells Google Sheets to recalculate when something changes in the file, and also to refresh on an hourly schedule. This is especially helpful for import formulas because it helps keep your data updated without you having to manually reload the sheet. Once you have selected that recalculation option, click Save Settings. Your settings will be applied right away, and your import formula should continue updating based on that schedule. At this point, your spreadsheet is set up to pull data from the web page and refresh it automatically. That covers everything you need to know.